everyone, welcome to the Sharp Eating channel. Today we want to draw the gluttonous rabbit and tell a story. Sharp Eating. Once upon a time, a gluttonous rabbit lived in green and beautiful forest with a number of animals. The little rabbit loved carrots. In a part of the forest, the old forester and his wife had a hut. They had also planted all kinds of vegetables and carrots in the garden in front of their house. The little rabbit had found the carrots and woke up every morning. He would go to the garden and bearing a carrot and run very fast towards his house and then eat the carrots. One day the little girl saw the work of the rabbit and came to him and said, "Little rabbit, this is very bad of you." The rabbit said, "Why is it bad? I am rabbit and I love carrots, and carrots were born for me, so they are my right." The squirrel said, "But you touched the carrots without permission. You have to go to and permission from Mrs. and Mr. Ranger." The rabbit said, "No, I eat whatever I want." Squirrel said, "Okay, do whatever you want." The little rabbit continued to steal carrots for days. Mr. and Mrs. were wondering what would happen to these carrots. Until one day, a little rabbit took a carrot and ran to this house. And because he was very hungry, he gave a strong bite to the carrot. Suddenly he realized he thumbs off from his mouth and fell to the ground. Now the rabbit could not eat anything. Few days passed, the little rabbit had become very thin. That day the squirrel came and said, "What's wrong? Little rabbit, why are you so thin?" Suddenly his eyes fell on the rabbit's tooth and his loud hand said, "Oh, where is your tooth?" The little rabbit crying and said, "I was eating a carrot when my tooth broke." Days passed and the rabbit was very sorry for what he had done. One day the little squirrel came to the rabbit and said, "Let's go to the house of the forester and his wife." When they reached their house, they saw that forester had picked a full basket of fruits and vegetables for them. The little rabbit saw the carrot in the basket and jumped and bit the carrot and removed a piece from it. The squirrel said with surprise, "You have teeth." The rabbit was also surprised, and he noticed that his teeth grown again. And from that day on, he decided with himself not to touch other people's food without permission. Today our story is over. Do you eat other people's food without permission? Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Eating channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting and stories. So today painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.